Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. It was yesterday after I ate in one of Tokum fast food that something reminded me a trip that I postponed. Seeing these buses, I thought again about going to Phitsanulok. And today, I no longer have the walk up to keep me here on spot. So I went to the bus station on a whim. Right after my breakfast. And here what the bus station looked like. And there you go. And on the way, we stopped to pick a few people up. And all I could see was shrimp farm, that was my lunch, pork panning, and then rice field, potato field, and sugarcane. So I hope that y'all appreciate this content. My arrival will be on the next one. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your like, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.